welcome back to our channel. My name is Alyssa.
And I'm Jose.
And I'm Andrew.
And we are the Zee Fam. Happy Saturday. Remember, if you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, give us a like, share our channel, guys. We're trying to get to 1,000 so we can have 2 giveaways. Stay tuned for this weekend's vlog. Bye. When you're trying to look like a badass, but it's starting to rain. Hey, come on, dude. Put it up. Hey guys, we just got to the mall. I'm gonna try to find this kid some shoes. See what we find. By the way, it finally feels like fall outside. And we're excited. And it's blurred. Yeah, go ahead. No. Oh, you could. Oh, you can rent it.
Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone.
How was it?
Really fun.
Fun?
Yeah. Surprisingly.
You want to do it again?
Yes. Please.
Where are we going? In here? What? I know.
Thank you, Mom.
Whatever.
Quick shopping spree. Nothing crazy.
Alright guys, Jose and I are done with the mall, done with Andrew. Who knew shopping with a 12-year-old would be this difficult? I freaking swear, babe.
Especially with a boy.
Oh Lord. You know what? It's payback for how I was with my mom. Super picky, wanted certain styles. God. Seriously, I'm like, that was so draining, right? Andrew? Jesus. What up, Jaden?
Jaden's mom.
Jaden's mom. Jay and Terry.
We're not ready yet. It takes a little while for us to get beautiful.
Vanessa told us 3, we're here.
It's not 3, is it?
Yes!
Oh shit, it's 3. You gotta get ready. Yeah. You should get it. Oh. Dude, you hit the same spot.
Andrew,
French kicks is in there too.
say hi. Ah! I got it.
Hey, Jay.
I know.
Hey guys, we are now at my sister's house. We're gonna check out my nephew before his homecoming dance. Let us know what you guys think. Let us know how he looks.
You got invited?
Huh?
I have vodka.
I'm okay. Right here.
Oh, you want that?
Hey! I didn't even see you.
Say hi.
Oh,
Show Mama your nails.
Does this one have a little stain on it?
Show me.
You can't get this out?
Ooh, hold on. Let me zoom in. Okay, got it. Ooh, those are pretty.
Let me see.
Okay, Livy, what's your name?
Olivia.
Olivia. Olivia, how old are you?
Football's kind of bare though.
Well, I was
4.
gonna buy a little buffet thing for
Tell
that.
me your favorite toy.
Finish up.
Poopsie.
Look at
Poopsie.
this.
Yeah.
Could I be any shorter?
Hold on.
Nikki, you look so handsome.
Oh, that's so sweet.
You're so handsome.
That is so
You're
sweet.
so handsome.
Aw, Nick.
Not that much. Tommy looks eyes.
Slow down.
No, he does look handsome.
No, he looks.
That's good.
He looks
in that.
handsome.
Who looks handsome? Daddy or Yaya?
Yaya and Daddy.
Oh. Who looks better?
Yaya and Daddy.
Oh, she said Yaya first. Oh.
Your favorite song.
What's your favorite song?
Yes,
Okay,
that's
let's see.
exactly what it is.
Okay.
My God, it's so great. You're shrinking so mighty. There's
Well, Ryan
nothing
Seacrest
like
doesn't work
it.
out.
Driving shoes, that's what they are.
Wanted a foe in affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with it who lying for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about hundreds. Don't go to your places, I know that they sunken. Don't call me your brother, I barely could trust it. I talked to a shorty, she bagging the bucket. And I'ma need all of my dollars on corporate.
I just said this is my good sign, but that's a good sign.
Alright, come on. We're gonna go take a picture.
All right, look at me. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Is he making a...
Hold on.
Poison it.
So cute.
But I'm not wearing shoes.
Ready?